Let's write a script to move this ball from top to bottom, bounce off the bottom, and then move back up to the top. To do this, let's just edit this and remove that red direction pointer. There we go. And the script is going to start with one of our controls. When green flag clicked, the ball must first start at the top. That's the first action, start at the top. So let's move the ball up to the top and find position, so around 149. Let's find go to X5, Y 149. So let's just test that out. Press the green flag, and yes, it starts at the top. First step accomplished, and the second step, we want to turn this ball around so that it's facing downwards. So we can grab a point in direction command, change that from right to down so that our ball is facing now in a downward direction. Now let's try that. Press the green flag, and there we can see our red line pointing downwards. Now the next thing we got to do is we got to have the ball move down to the bottom, move all the way down to the bottom. Now we could use an absolute position, go to XY, go to the bottom, but the best way to do this is actually to use a forever, and just put our move command inside the forever. So forever the ball is going to keep on moving. So it's not just going to go to one position, XY position, and then stop. It's going to continually move for 10 steps. So let's connect that to our program. Let's test it out. And there we go. It starts from the top and goes down to the bottom, but it can't move forever because it's not bouncing off the bottom there. It's just staying down there when it gets there. So we can alter our script somewhat to make it bounce off the edge. We can use the if-on-edge-bounce command, and you can see I added it, and the ball is moving continually up and down now. So let's review our script again. When green flag is clicked, we're going to the top position, we're pointing in the downward direction, and we're forever moving 10 steps. And if we encounter an edge, it's gonna bounce back up again. Now, the ball is only going up and down, and for our dodgeball game, as I mentioned earlier, we needed to kind of move unpredictably around the screen. So we got to add an element of unpredictability to that ball.